Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are enjoying making different dishes for your loved ones during this quarantine. We have to use very less resources during this time. Please make sure that you don't waste any food for the current situation. So today I'm going to teach you how to make the most awaited dish, Banoffee Pie, an English dessert. So crushed up digestive biscuits make a beautiful crust for this luscious Banoffee pie. The filling starts with sweetened condensed milk turned into dulce delicious, then topped with lots of banana slices, fresh whipped cream and chocolate shavings. So let's start making it. Add 3 small packs of digestive biscuits in a Ziploc bag. Crush with a rolling pin. You can also use mixer to crush these biscuits. Now transfer these crushed biscuits into a large bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of melted butter and stir into a cookie crumbs. Grease the pie pan with butter. Line the pie plate with the cookie crumb mixture, making sure it comes all the way to the top of the plate. Press nicely with a bowl or a glass. Now preheat oven to 180 degrees and bake for 10 minutes, then place it in a refrigerator for an hour. Now it's time to make toffee filling. Pressure cook for the condensed milk tin for 1 whistle and then cook for 20 minutes in a slow flame. Switch off the flame and leave it for 2 hours. Use when it comes to room temperature. Slice 3 large bananas and keep aside. You can see the color of condensed milk. And now toffee is ready to use. Mix well before we use. Fill the pie crust with the prepared dulce delicious filling. Flatten with an offset spatula. Now place all the sliced bananas. Take a large bowl, whip half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, whip until soft peaks. Now top with whipping cream, spread evenly with spatula. And now close it with cling wrap and refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours and top up with chocolate shavings. Allow layer to set the flavors to melt. Store in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. An easy delicious dessert that is sure to be an instant crowd pleaser. This simple Banoffee pie has layers of buttery biscuits base, thick and sweet caramel slices of banana, and cloud of soft whipped cream. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great recipes. And thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. Stay safe and stay home. Have a nice day.